Hello, Miss Noodles. It's the very end of August, and unusually, it's cool and raining after 110 degrees earlier this week. So if we stop and look at the pond, you can see raindrops on the pond. Something different. Amazing. It's a Gulf of Alaska storm in August. Very rare. I believe that the last time it rained was in early June. So June, July, most of August. It's been 3 months. You can see the rain shadow where it gets darker, it's wet, and I'm under the tree, so it's light rain, not even penetrating really under the tree. And how wonderful it is, that first rain after the long heat and the big dry, and now all the smells and the cool breeze. Everything smells different. Not dusty. Noodles, don't eat grass. Makes you barf. Noodles in the rainy Sacramento.